Guys, ganito lang magluto ng lechon kawali, panoodin nyo. Lechon kawali recipe. Ratings 1 hour 0 na minuto, gluten-free 6 servings. This is a recipe for lechon kawali or crispy deep fried pork belly. Ingredients: meat, 2 pounds pork belly. Produce: 5 pieces bay leaves, dried. 2 tablespoons peppercorn, full. Baking at spices: 2 tablespoons salt, oils at vinegars, 3 cups cooking oil, liquids, 34 ounces water.